They say that I am wasting time. They say I am crazy. They are wrong. Now, ready? Machine 1. Initiate. RMO, set the location to the treasure room.
Roger that. Lord Mechanic, destination is set to the treasure room.
Welcome to the Ready Machine 1. Welcome to this party for modified cars. I am Mechanic. In this show, we shall make many great yet outrageous modification plans into reality. At the same time, we will test and evaluate the modifications. The modification cars behind me shall shine this time. I shall briefly introduce them to you. These 2 cars underwent body tuning, and these 3 underwent engine tuning. The first is a performance car. I shall introduce this car to you guys. Every one of you should be familiar with this car. The first generation of the GTR from the Nissan company's Skyline RV came out around February 1969. It has an unbeaten record from 1969 to 1972, so the current GTR is the one for many fans. But this GTR 35 here is not just an ordinary GTR. I used the HKS GT800 turbine kit, June 64 10.3 camshafts, and modified parts from well-known factories to create this 800 horsepower monsters. This car has more than 200 horsepower compared to the original GTR, making this the legend. I believe that this car shall create miracles in the next lab test. The next car is RX-2000S. You must wonder why it's called this. Because it's a combination between 2 classical sports cars, Mazda RX-8 and Honda 2000. Everyone shall also be familiar with the RX-8 as well. It is the faith for rotary engine fans. However, rotary engine also have many problems. For example, by using oil-sealed material for a period of time, rotary engine will cause air leakage easily. As a result, it will increase fuel consumption and pollution severely. Its unique mechanical structure also makes this engine difficult to repair. Thus, imagine it, if we instead the F20C red-hatted engine of RX-8 engine, shouldn't this car be flawless then? Don't worry, I will show you that this car is flawless. The fully modified chassis, full competitive exhaust from Meta Racings, and the most representative red-hatted engine is the reason why. The last car is Mercedes A45 AMG. The one representing 4-wheel drive hatchback. Mercedes-Benz AMG started from 1967, where 2 Germans, Alfred and Melcher, started their modification business in a small town in German called Grosspach. The name AMG came from the first letters of the names and the location. That's how AMG was born. This A45 AMG is the one of the best hatchback of the AMG family. What I've done is improve this car to a better one. AMS power components, LHT exhaust components, plus endless brake components, and alpha cooling components. This car is now the king of the game. Now, let's turn to introduce the body tuning cars. The first is the VIP style Infiniti G37 Coupe. G37 is the most understated car in Infiniti. The body of the car is shaped with elegant curves, revealing the family style from the Japanese brand. But how should I make it shine? Global limited edition wheels from the domineering top VIP brand K-Brick Hybrid Fiesta Beller with Osram's Demon Eye headlights, carbon fiber trim, front bumpers from Zella-R, side skirts from the American brand IPL, customized and handmade rear bumpers, and handmade front and rear wide body, makes this car completely out of the understated label. This is a high-profile and luxurious black demon. Everyone knows this car, the BMW E93 M3. In our minds, M3 always looks powerful and strong these years. However, this is not enough for me. I shall make it even more powerful and aggressive. Thus, this BMW E93 M3 is my creation. Studs on the exterior, huge spoilers, airlift 3H management package, plus the prominent Japanese brand LB Walk spotter kit has given this car a sense of structure. The reason why I love this car is because of the Japanese AMG GVS wheels. It is the finishing touch to this marvelous car. By the way, the car's audio system is dope. Now, we shall get ready into the machine ready section. I will show you how my creations works.
Behold, of the machine ready section, I am RMO, Lord Machanic's personal assistant, the world's smartest artificial intelligence. In this session, we will evaluate all the modified cars. We will test our car by lap runs. We also have leaderboards for both body-tuned cars and engine-tuned cars. Of course, the leaderboard now is empty. However, the leaderboard shall be full later. The first to run up are our 3 Monstrous performance cars. You do not mess with them. Be ready to be scared. First, let's take a look at GTR's track performance. It has a very good start and a strong grip. That's my boy. It turned accurately at the corner without a trace of drag. It is still grabbing strongly to the ground at the chicane. It is the famous powerful acceleration after the corners. It raced to the finish line with a roar. We shall then take a look at RX-8. RX started with a little jitter. It's not really a good start. Went through the first corner easily. What about the second one? Also, deal with it easily. The light-weighted RX-8 is performing really well on the corners. It is still driving smoothly on the chicane. The red-hatted engine is roaring vigorously when it left the corner, but it is still within its strength. Finish line! Let's finally take a look at A45, a car modified up to the race car level. Let's look at its start first, smoothly. First corner precise and steady. It has a stable grab to the ground in the second corner. of the corner and into the chicane. It is definitely a race car level tuning. The chicane was a piece of cake for it. Out of the chicane and hard press on the throttle, it reaches the finish line with the turbine sounds.
Now, all my monstrous creations have completed their lab test. Let's see what they got. The GTR 35 took 46.75 seconds. The A45 took 46.92 seconds. And the RX-8 took 53.33 seconds. Our next project may have a bit more pressure after seeing these results, but it is a piece of cake for me to overcome myself. I am the one who have done many impossibles. There are still 2 body tuning cars left. What do you guys think about those 2 cars? I shall allow you to leave a message and tell me your thoughts.
And in the next program, I shall conduct a comprehensive assignment based on your thoughts. Only then, we shall have the score for those 2 vehicles. This is today's Ready Machine 1.
Thank you for watching, and see you next time.